let's do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. Hope everybody's good. Hope everyone's having a good day. It's super cold and wet here in England. It's apparently today it's raining so much, it's like a month's worth of rain, something like that. Anyway, today's video I am bringing to you a pretty little thing haul. I absolutely love them. I wear their stuff all the time, and they sent me some items which I'm very excited about. Some of them that are featured in this video I bought, and some of them I got sent, just to let you guys know. The first item is actually this hoodie that I'm wearing on right now. Let's show it to you guys. Oh, right, let's see. Can you see that? This is the hoodie. It's really cool, and it's just a super slouchy hoodie. It does come with a belt in the same color as this. Sorry, don't have it on me. Should I go find it? I should go find it. Really, all the items that I am showing you guys today I have already worn at least once, just because of the fact that I've had this stuff for over a week now. And oh, come on. Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Salam, Nabiilabee.
Aha, what happened? Is me okay?
Как дела?
Aha, у меня хорошо, как у вас? What was I saying? Because I don't remember what I was saying. Anyway, I have worn a lot of these items because I got them over a week ago, and yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. So this is one of the blazers. This is a super like thin casual blazer. It looks like this, and it buttons. Oh no, it doesn't button, so the buttons are fake. So it's kind of like a cardigan. It's a very cash throw on kind of blazer. Then I got some really cool pieces. So I got this set. The shirt I got sent, and then the blazer and the trousers I actually bought myself. So this is the shirt, and I got this in a size 10, and it is oversized. I could have actually gone down to an 8 as well. That would still look really nice and fit me nicely. Absolutely love this shirt. And then this is the blazer. I got this in a 10, and it just looks like that. I love to wear it with this shirt. Honestly, I just think it looks so nice, and I love, honestly, I'm obsessed with this color. I've worn this shirt with jeans. It just looks so nice, so chic. And the trousers that I got are these mint ones, and they're actually a flare, like they're super flary. Also got some white jogging bottoms, just because they do a petite range, and I got these white jogging bottoms, just standard like that. Then one of my favorite pieces is actually this utility jacket. Oh my god, this is just amazing. This is from a collaboration that they did with somebody. I'm really, like, I don't really know the girl, so I can't remember her name, but I absolutely love this utility jacket. And then I styled it with this super cool belt, and it's like a, what are they called? Is that what it is called? Is it called like a suitcase? I'm gonna call it a suitcase belt. Got this white blazer. I got this in a size 12. This comes out a little bit big on me. Honestly, I kind of wish I got 10 in this. And it just looks like this. It's really long. It is a blazer dress, but I wear it more like a jacket, if that makes sense, just because I prefer it like that. I haven't tried, but I am really excited to wear this. By the way, guys, there's like a full-on storm happening right behind the camera. It's pretty funny. So I love this dress. It is short-sleeved. That's the only thing that I'm a bit like, but then I was thinking I could wear a t-shirt underneath, and actually maybe I look slimmer in it. It does look super big. I got this in a UK 8, and I feel like it is still gonna be super oversized, but I think it's gonna look so cool, like even looking right now with these jeans. So I got a bucket hat because I wear something you guys don't know about me, or some of you guys would know, is that I wear a lot of jogging bottoms and hoodies and like really sporty clothes, but you don't actually see me wear that because I don't really post it on the gram. But this will go really well for my everyday like wear, and I could just throw it on. Right, I have not worn my turban like this in a while. Right, last but not least, and I believe this is the last outfit, it is this jumpsuit, which I just absolutely love. So this is the first time I'm wearing a jumpsuit, can you believe it? And I just love this. I love everything about it. I love the fabric, I love how thin it is, but it's not see-through. It's just so amazing. I absolutely love it. That concludes this video. That's the final look, and I hope you guys like this video. It's a completely different setup to my usual videos. It's very like all over the place, but it's purposefully all over the place, if that makes sense. Also, I feel like it was a lot darker when I was standing there than here, right? Like the lighting is actually really good here, which is a little bit annoying, but it's okay. Let's hope I can edit that out, or in, more like edit some light in. Anyway, so if you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.